A micro measurements 3-element rosette gauge is mounted on a thin walled pressure vessel for determining the internal pressure in the vessel. The readings from each of the 3 elements that we see here are applied to equations that give us the maximum principal stress from which the internal pressure can be determined. Accurate and reliable measurements can be obtained only using the recommended surface preparation materials, accessories, tools and adhesives as listed in the technical notes of micro measurements. This method of determining internal pressures can be applied to any pressure vessel made of any material, especially in the gas and oil processing industry, fuel tanks in automobiles, aircraft and spacecraft, and alternative energy industry.